Yo, what's up everybody? It's Sharjeel Ahmed back with another video. And today we're diving deep into the world of robotics. Buckle up because we're counting down the top 5 robots that are straight up revolutionizing the world as we know it. From the labs to your living room, these robots are not just science fiction anymore. We're talking cutting-edge tech, insane capabilities, and the potential to change everything. Get ready to have your mind blown because some of these robots are already out there doing things you wouldn't believe. Let's get right into it. First up, we got Spot, the robotic dog from Boston Dynamics that's been making waves. Now, this isn't your average furry friend. Spot is built for serious business, rocking some next-level mobility and a modular design that lets it adapt to all kinds of crazy situations. We're talking industrial inspections, dangerous environment monitoring, you name it, Spot can handle it. And the craziest part, this thing is already out there in the real world, working on construction sites, patrolling oil rigs, even helping out with law enforcement. But it's not all work and no play for Spot. We've also seen it busting some serious moves on the dance floor. Yeah, you heard that right, this robot dog has rhythm. Next up, we're taking a look at Asimo, Honda's groundbreaking humanoid robot. This is the kind of robot you see in sci-fi movies, except Asimo is real and it's here. We're talking walking, running, even climbing stairs, all with a level of agility and balance that's mind-blowing. Seriously, this thing moves more human-like than some humans I know. Asimo represents a huge leap forward in humanoid robotics, paving the way for robots that can assist us in all sorts of ways, from everyday tasks to complex and even dangerous jobs. Chapter 3. Now, let's talk about Pepper, the social robot from SoftBank Robotics. This robot is all about interaction, designed to understand and respond to human emotions. Yeah, you heard that right. Pepper can read your feelings, and it uses that information to personalize its interactions, making it a powerful tool for things like customer service and healthcare. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by Pepper, a friendly face that can answer your questions and even provide emotional support. That's the future Pepper is building towards. Chapter 4. Get ready to be amazed because Atlas, Boston Dynamics' other robotic masterpiece, is taking things to a whole new level. This bipedal robot is all about pushing the limits of agility and balance. We're talking parkour moves, backflips, even a little dance here and there. Atlas is constantly learning and evolving, becoming more agile and adaptable with each iteration. It's a testament to how far robotics has come and a glimpse into the incredible things robots will be capable of in the future. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have the OG home robot itself, the Roomba. This little guy might not be doing backflips or saving the world, but it's revolutionized the way we clean our homes. Seriously, who likes vacuuming? Roomba takes care of that for you. Navigating your floors with ease, avoiding obstacles like a pro, and even emptying its own dustbin. It's the perfect example of how robots can seamlessly integrate into our lives, making everyday tasks easier and freeing up our time for more important things. So there you have it, our top 5 robots that are changing the world right now. From industrial workhorses to social companions, these robots are shaping the future in ways we never thought possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content. Which robot impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below.